Welcome to our series on video marketing for small businesses. Obviously, the best way to start a video marketing campaign is go in without a plan, do your best, and just see what sticks. Just kidding, that's the opposite of what you're supposed to do. As the old saying goes, if you're failing to plan, you're planning to fail. And while that might be a little oversimplified, marketing without a great strategy can waste time and money. So let's get into it. Your first step is to identify your target market. Undertaking marketing efforts of any kind is futile if you do not know who you're speaking to. Trying to reach everyone doesn't cut it, and that applies to video marketing for sure. To start to figure out your intended audience, you can ask yourself a few questions. What does my ideal customer look like in terms of demographics? What makes them buy things? What are some of their interests? Where can you find them? Next, you need to set your goals. Use SMART goals to help you out. That means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Then, determine your message. Is it unique? Does it solve a problem? Does it promote your business? Lastly, set your schedule. Based on your goals and your ability to produce content, how consistently do you plan on posting? And how frequently will you be sharing your content? Set a schedule and stick to it, and consider trying to experiment with the timing of sharing your videos on social platforms. To get more detailed info on setting up your strategy, click below to get our definitive guide to video marketing for small business. Thanks for watching.